I am Thor, son of Odin.
Whoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor.
No.
Come!
No!
That's enough! Now, I don't know what you plan on doing here.
I've come here to put an end to Loki's schemes.
Then prove it. Put that hammer down.
Yeah, no.
Bad call. He loves his hate.
You want me to put the hammer down?
Huh? Go, Steve, no pressure. Come on, Cap.
Nothing.
No!
Come on, Stark, stay with us.
I'm gonna try something, okay? I have no idea if it's gonna work. Yes!
Oh, that worked a treat. Dude, that was so crazy.
I had no idea if that was gonna work.